Want to know how to get a swarm to fly back into the hive? Then watch this video. Hello, I'm Gruffydd. Welcome to Gwenyn Gruffydd. Here we talk everything beekeeping, farming, countryside living, and we do reviews as well. Now today, I was a bit late doing my hive inspections. I came down to the apiary, started at one corner, and I saw a hive swarming off. So I went to the hive, went straight through it, cut all the queen cells, put everything back, didn't think much of it. I went to catch the swarm that landed just in the hedge. But what I noticed happen was quite amazing. Almost instantly, all the bees were flying back into the hive that they just swarmed from. Well, I thought, well, that's alright then, and leave them do that. Carried on with my inspections again. Another hive lifted up into the tree. Went straight into that hive, cut all the queen cells, and put the hive back together. And I noticed again, within a couple of minutes, that swarm was coming back to the original hive, back into the hive where it just swarmed. And I thought, well, that's only happened twice. You know, there's no scientific analysis or factors there, because it could all be fluke. So I was going through again, and another hive down the line. That hive lifting, I thought, oh, Griff, all this weather is costing you a lot of money, all this swarming. So I did exactly the same thing again. Up the hive, open it up as they were swarming, cut out all the queen cells, put everything back the same way it should. And for the third time again, all the bees, they came back into the hive. So there must be something involved there, that if you're just at your apiary and you're seeing the bees swarm, as long as you can hit that hive quick, cut all the queen cells, put it back together, the bees should come back into the hive without you needing to catch that swarm. Because you don't want to lose the swarm. Most of my queens, the wings are clipped, but all the new virgin queens that's mated, they're not clipped, but it's very unlikely that they will swarm. There's some hives that I've got, I just can't find the queen at all, and they do tend to swarm then if I don't go around and catch those queens to mark them and clip them. But there we go, I proved that 3 times in a row today. That's the 3rd time today I've done this trick. Look at all the bees coming back into the hive. It definitely works 100%. So next time you come to the apiary and you see a hive just starting to swarm you there, because that's a key thing for this trick to work. It's just going to happen right in front of your eyes. Open it up really quick, cut out all the queen cells, put it back together, and the bees should come back. What I think happens is, even if the queen does leave the hive, the bees go and tell the other bees there's no queen cell left in the hive, and then they come back. So it's not scientific, but that's happened to me 3 times today, and 3 times it's worked. So there must be something in it. Hopefully someone else can test that theory and put it to test. And if you've seen that happen yourself, put it in the comments, because I'd love to find out if that's happened to someone else as well. Thanks for watching. Now if you like this video and you want to watch more of the same kind of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put a new video out every week. Thanks for watching.